Dadashreeji is not just for India. His vision is for the entire world. So he made that clear that he is for everyone, including the Americas, everyone. That belief of all of us are one world and one family is the actual part of the sankalp or the vision of the divine, of the universal divine. We are all seekers, and to some of us, maybe this journey has begun because we have heard so much. Maybe it has started because we want to have a solution for our problems, pain and suffering. Whatever it may be, we are seeking something. People do selfless, so many things to reach to that highest. So in this, what Dadashreeji told while he was telling this, that he's declared that when you are offering seva in Maitri Bodh Parivar, as you offer seva in Maitri Bodh Parivar, the doors to the divine will be opened. You will be able to reach to the highest in very simple way. You don't have to do complicated sadhanas. You don't have to read complicated texts. Just by offering seva. You know, another beautiful thing what he said is that when you do so many rituals outside, when you do so many in the name of spirituality, so many things, what are you promised? You know, you are promised that you will get heavens. But Dadashreeji told us that I promise you that you will reach that seventh layer. You will reach him. You will reach that abode of divine. That is what he is promised. You can connect to your own source. Make your life happy. Do whatever you want in life. Fulfill all your passions. But just incorporate the divine in your life. And Dadashreeji is here going to help you. The divine light is going to help you.